might be asking to yourself, Sony Xperia 1 Mark II or Huawei P40 Pro, which one will be the perfect choice for 2020? So don't worry, in this video I'll try to cover that and will give you proper information and recommendation that which one you should buy. So please watch this video until end and don't forget to subscribe. First, I start with the design and the build quality of both devices. The Huawei P40 Pro obviously will take the advantage here because Huawei is having hole punch selfie camera which keeps the phone really cool and dashing looks. Not only that, it has 6.5-inch display which is 91.6% skin to body ratio, means this phone is almost bezel-less. On the other hand, Sony is having very good build quality, but it has huge bezel compared to other flagship devices that has been launched in 2020. Both of these devices are sharing same display quality, both are OLED panels. Secondly, performance. Both devices are having flagship chipset but from different organization. Sony Xperia 1 Mark II is having QUALCOMM flagship chipset, Snapdragon 865 which is 7nm plus chipset. On the other hand, Huawei P40 Pro is having Kirin 990 which is also 7nm plus chipset. But honestly, in my observation, Qualcomm Snapdragon will take the lead here because the worldwide recognized Geekbench score measures the CPU performance in single core and multi-core basis. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor single core score is 4303 and multi-core score is 13344. On the other hand, Kirin 990 does in single core 3842 and multi-core score is 11644. So it is very clear that Sony will take the huge lead in terms of performance. Thirdly, camera. The Huawei P40 Pro is featuring quad camera setup, 50 megapixel wide angle lens, 12 megapixel periscope telephoto lens which feature optical image stabilization and 5x optical zoom, 40 megapixel ultra wide lens and time of flight 3D camera. At the front side, it has 32 megapixel wide angle lens and time of flight 3D camera. For the Sony, it has also quad camera setup, but 12 megapixel camera sensor has been used here, and they are respectively 12 megapixel wide angle lens, 12 megapixel telephoto lens which having optical image stabilization and 3x optical zoom, 12 megapixel ultra wide lens and 0.3 megapixel time of flight 3D camera. And at the front side, it has only 8 megapixel sensor. So the differences is very clear here that Huawei has the better camera feature. Not only that, Huawei has both side time of flight 3D camera sensor which gives more crispier and more accurate shots on both daylight and low light condition. Although having all the good qualities features on Huawei P40 Pro, unfortunately I do not recommend this phone because it doesn't have Google Play service. Means you will not be able to use Google software in this device and you will not be able to download software, games and other applications from Google Play Store. But Huawei is saying that they have their own Play Store for their Huawei users. For Huawei phones, you will be able to download software from that Play Store. But the problem is, compared to Huawei Store and Google Play Store, it's just nothing. Now the fact is, you are spending $1000 for a phone which having huge disability and you will suffer a lot while doing your day-to-day activities through that phone. On the other hand, Sony is having all kinds of Google support that you need. About the camera of the Sony is also produced very good camera that is enough for taking pictures and produce very good image quality. But yes, if you compare with Huawei P40 Pro obviously will take lead here, but at the end, camera is not everything. You have to take other things in consideration. At the last, I just want to say, if Google services matter for you, then you can go for Sony. But if you want to buy phone for better photography, Google services doesn't matter for you, then you may go for Huawei P40 Pro. So that was all about today. I hope this video was quite informative and I hope you like the video. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to suggest something, suggest in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.